Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my real English journey with you. As you know, I'm still learning and I'm not fluent yet. That's why I decided to practice English every single day. In this video, I'm going to practice English for 4 hours and I will show you exactly what I do step by step. And I believe that nobody is born fluent. People become fluent through practice and consistency. So, if you ever feel confused about what to do and how to practice, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to share everything I do. Now, let's begin today's journey. Alright, I'm ready now. For the next 4 hours, I'm going to practice English and I will take you with me. Let's see how much I improved today. Okay, before I start my studying, I always make a to do list. So, this is my to do list. At first, listening practice, then learning new language with the help of ChatGPT, shadowing practice, my favorite, and reading practice and writing practice. Okay, now without any delay, let's start with listening practice. Okay. For my listening practice, I am going to listen a podcast for 30 minutes. Today I am going to listen to a podcast of Priyanka Chopra. Okay, this Priyanka Chopra. Whenever I listen any new word and expression, I just write it down in my notebook. Okay, so because I also want to improve my vocabulary, that's why. So let's start.
Back to my roots. I was born to incredible parents. Amazing parents who served as doctors in the
Right now I am listening to a podcast by Priyanka Chopra. Listening is a foundation of speaking. Before you can speak English confidently, you need to train your ears to understand natural English. That's why I listen to podcasts every day. Whenever I hear a new word or expression, I write it down in my notebook, you can see, and I don't worry if I don't understand everything. I just keep listening because every minute of listening makes my English a little bit better. And I really enjoy it, really. These are the new words and expression I picked up from today's podcast. Now I am going to use ChatGPT. Instead of memorizing these words, I want to understand them. So I asked ChatGPT for the meaning, example sentences, synonym and antonym. You can see. This way I am not just learning new words. I am learning how to use them naturally in real conversation. And honestly, this has become one of my favorite way to build my vocabulary. Now it's time for my favorite part, the shadowing practice. First, I picked a video, then listen carefully. Then pause the video and try to speak exactly what she says. After practicing sentence by sentence, I try to say whole part without stopping. Now let's start. Guys, please let me just tell you this. No matter what you do, someone will always be unhappy. To be honest, this wasn't easy for me. I have practiced shadowing many times, but I still make mistake, and that's completely okay. First, I listen carefully to one sentence, then I pause the video and repeat it exactly as the speaker says it. I don't just copy the words, I try to copy the pronunciation, the rhyme, intonation, and even the speaker's emotions. Sometimes I repeat the same sentence 5 or 6 times until it feels natural. After practicing sentence by sentence, I challenge myself to say the whole paragraph without stopping. Shadowing has helped me become more confident, and little by little I can feel my English improving. I'm not fluent yet, seriously, but every day I become a little better than yesterday, and that's what really matters. No matter what you do, someone will always be unhappy. Always. You can never please everyone all the time. And the biggest favor that you all do to yourselves, will be to love at yourselves, at situations. Find the moment to appreciate every single day this funny things called life. Conman, okay, conman. So now I have started my reading practice. Reading is one of the best ways to improve your English. It helps me build my vocabulary, improve my pronunciation, and understand how English is naturally written. I don't read to finish the chapter, I read to learn something new every single day. And every page teaches us something new. After practicing for a while, I feel a little tired. So I took a short break, ate something, and came back with fresh energy. Now let's continue with the rest of today's practice. So, this is how I practice English every day. I'm not fluent yet, I'm still making mistakes, but I'm no longer afraid of making them because every mistake means I'm learning, right? And I realize one thing: fluency doesn't come from talent, it comes from practice. So, if you also want to improve your English, don't wait for the right time. Start what you know, practice what you have, and trust the process. Let's improve together. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.